Hello everyone, Victoria Lowy here to tell you the tale of my thrift store Converse revival. This tale begins, as many of my others do, at the thrift store. I found these Converse in my size for $16 and the entire store was 50% off, so woo woo woo! $8 Converse for me. And no, these weren't in terrible condition, but they did need a little bit of TLC, and I was down for the challenge. I didn't end up using that magic sponge at all, just the bristle brush. Went to my local Dollar General and was looking for OxyClean. They wanted 11 of my dollars, and Dollar General had a $4 brand, so we gave it a chance, and it was worth the risk. I first removed the laces and made sure that I soaked them separately. I was worried about the maroon color getting to the white laces at all. I used 1 scoop for the laces. And in a much larger separate container, I added OxyClean's Dollar General brand until it felt right. Add warm water to both containers. I made sure I agitated the detergent I had added, and I allowed it to soak. These have been soaking in their wonderful bubble bath for about 2 hours. Let's check in on them. Even though these shoes are already a million times better than they were, I went ahead and did a little bit of light scrubbing to make sure I help these shoes reach their full potential. I made sure I gave them a very thorough rinsing. And I set them outside on the porch for 2 days to dry. I took the time to make sure I laced them up all pretty, and man, if these don't look like a brand new pair of Converse. And these side-by-side comparisons are crazy. Definitely a hack I'll be keeping around for other shoes, and definitely something you guys should try out as well. Thanks for watching another video. I appreciate all the love and support. Please subscribe, like, leave me messages. Until next time!